What if the strongest version of you was just 60 seconds away every day? Not a gym, not a diet, just a choice. 1 minute. This tiny, silent move, the plank, it could reshape everything. Sounds dramatic, right? But here's what they don't tell you. Most people quit by day 7, not because it's too hard, but because they never realize what they're truly unlocking. Day 1, it burns, you tremble, you question everything, but by day 3, something wakes up inside you. A quiet strength, a fire. Your body starts whispering, "I've got this." This isn't just core work, it's self-respect in motion. You're not just toning abs, you're reinforcing your spine, your stance, your spirit. 1 minute a day, and your body starts standing taller, literally and metaphorically. And here's the kicker, your metabolism starts to shift. Even while you sit, scroll, sleep, your body's still working. It's like lighting a match that keeps burning long after you're done. But the real change? That happens in your mind, because every second you hold that plank, you're telling yourself, "I don't quit. I hold the line. I finish strong." By day 14, you'll walk differently. People notice the energy. By day 30, you won't just see the change, you'll feel untouchable. And the best part? You'll know you earned it in one raw, honest minute a day. So here's your moment. Take the 1-minute challenge. Just you and the floor. Record day 1, then record day 30. Watch your own transformation play back like a movie. Tag us. Your story might inspire someone else's. Want to stay on track? We made a free 30-day plank tracker. It's in the description. Simple. No fluff. Just you versus you. Listen, if you're waiting for the perfect moment, it's this one. Don't wait for motivation. Build momentum. Because your life doesn't change in an hour. It changes in a minute. One you choose every single day. The strongest version of you is already out there. 1 minute a day gets you closer. Like, share this with someone who needs it, and subscribe if you're ready to build a life you're proud of, 1 minute at a time.